Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a light box where you don't have any studs. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using a light box with an extending brace, some drywall screws, a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, and a hammer. So the first thing we want to do is determine where our box is actually going to be mounted. So we're going to be mounting our box right up here. So what we'll do is take our light box, put it in between the studs. After we have our braces in between our studs, we're going to take our hammer and right on the sides, there's some spikes. We're just going to knock that into the studs. And we'll go ahead and do that on both sides. Now that it's nailed into place, we're going to go ahead and install some screws in the pre-drilled holes that they've done. And we'll go ahead and do that on both sides. Now that it's secure, it's not going anywhere, we can move our box wherever we want to. After we get it into place, take your drill and locate it on the inside. There's some screws. Go ahead and tighten those down. Now your box is securely mounted to the wall and ready for drywall. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with this project.